This video will take you through the steps on how to initiate a Water Act Code of Practice notice in the Environmental Approval System, OneStop. This demonstration assumes that you already have a valid account in OneStop. For information on how to create a valid account, please refer to the quick reference guide. First, click on Initiate and select Water Act Code of Practice from the drop-down. Next, choose the type of Code of Practice by clicking on the drop-down list and clicking on the type of Code of Practice. Next, you'll enter the legal land description of the activity by clicking on Add Row, and then clicking in each field to enter the data. You can also populate the legal land description table by downloading a CSV template. Click on Download CSV Template. You can enter your data in the fields. You can enter multiple legal land descriptions as applicable. Save your file in a location where you can retrieve it later. Next, click on Browse. And locate the file that you just saved. Click Open. The data has been populated. Next, enter your activity start date. Next, click on Attach File to upload your completed Code of Practice notice form. Next, click on Attach File to upload your location plan. And if applicable, click on Attach File to upload your Wetland Assessment and Impact Form. Click on Submit COP. Read the declaration and disclaimer. Once you have read and understand the Terms of Use Agreement, click on I agree. Your Water Act Code of Practice submission is successful. Click on Yes to submit additional notices, or click on No to return to the landing page. This concludes the demonstration video on how to initiate a Water Act Code of Practice notice in OneStop.